Hello, and this is the review of our new Voltas Beko dishwasher. We have loaded it with our everyday dishes, and it says that pre-rinsing is not required. Therefore, some dishes are not pre-rinsed, some are pre-rinsed, and it's a mixed load. So it's a 14 place model. Model number is DF14S2. This is the top spray arm. And this is our cutlery basket. And this is our teapot, teapan. So our teapan, you can see that there's lots of staining from the milk and the tea powder. So this dishwasher is equipped with the Aqua Intense technology. It enables to clean fairly stained dishes with an intense spray. So there is a special impeller for that. So now before starting, let's check whether the spray arms are properly rotating. They are not free to rotate, then your dishes won't get cleaned properly. So now let's load the detergent. It comes in a small plastic wrap, but there is no need to remove the plastic wrap. It will be dissolved in the hot water spray. When hot water touches it, the plastic cover will automatically get dissolved. Now let's close it and choose a cycle. Let's power it on. So these are the available programs for this model. So let's choose the program number 4, which is intensive. Let's also enable the Aqua Intense option. Okay, now the cycle has started. Now let's come back after 3 hours. So now 3 hours have elapsed. Okay, now its time is 0. So the symbol that we can open the door is displayed. Okay, let's open. Yeah, now we can check the dishes. Yes, everything looks sparkling clean. It's very dry as well. There is only a little bit of water left. Yes, it has got dried. Even if we haven't given any extra dry option, it's still fairly dry. Yes, it's clean. Glass is also very clean. Tea strainer. Everything that's stainless steel will get a extra sparkle from the rinse edge. Unlike regular hand washing, since the rinse head gives it some additional glow, especially to stainless steel items. Now let's check the bottom rack. Now plates. It's very clean. Now let's check the stains. Yeah, all the stain has been removed from the tea pan. Yes, the Aqua Intense option have done the job. And that's a good job. Okay, all spoons looks very clean. Yes, none of them have any stains. Let's check one. All of them have got that extra glow from their inside. Yeah, it's also sparkling clean. There are no water spots. Also, I would like to point out that the water in my area is very soft. So I don't know whether it will work like this in hard water. Now let's remove the bottom rack. I removed the bottom rack so that I could show you the interior sections of the dishwasher. Unlike some other dishwasher brands, this model have a fully stainless steel interior. So this is the Aqua Intense impeller. It is used to clean the heavily stained pots and pans. Now let me show you the adjustable height feature. So the racks are height adjustable. You can increase it or decrease it. Now, yes, this is the detergent and the rinse side compartment. So this is the rinse side compartment. There is a level showing how much is remaining inside the internal container. So the rinse side gets dispensed automatically based on the water hardness. So there are two positions showing the amount of detergent. Now I will show you the steam inlet sec port. So there's a steam gloss feature, and steam comes through that fan, and this is the drying fan. And this is the top impeller through where water will come to the top of the top basket. There's also a filter inside. So this one will prevent the larger chunks of the food from clogging the dishwasher outlet. Usually it will pump the smaller pieces. Smaller pieces it will pump out, but the larger pieces will get filtered by this mesh filter. Based on how dirty your dishes are, you will have to clean it more frequently, usually by at least once a week. Okay, let's put it back. Okay, let's close it, and that's it. It's Voltas, and it is distributed by Tata but made by Beko. Okay, thank you for watching.